have to eat fish. This fish stew is spicy. It's really, really spicy, man.
Then Pupuru that we eat in Imo State. Is it?
Mommy, kí lẹ porúkọ ẹja yìí?
Ẹja ọsàn.
Ẹja ọsàn. Ẹja ọsàn. Someone said orange fish. We are here. We are still in Imo. Imo is in Ogun State, Nigeria, and this is the native food.
Sincerely, this is.
They call it Pupuru, and we have to eat fish. So this is the soup. It's not a stew, or should I call it a stew? So this is what we are having for. Should I call it lunch? Is it lunch or break dinner?
Break lunch.
Break lunch. They said it's break lunch.
It's break lunch.
So this is what I'm eating for break lunch. We have to call it break lunch because it's already like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is our breakfast. This is our breakfast. And, so.
The fish is fishing.
I can't do that.
There is no ewedu here, but this fish stew is spicy. It's really, really spicy, man. If you don't eat spice, don't try this. Don't try it at all. This is really, really spicy. Pupuru.
Pupuru, same Pupuru that we eat in Imo State. Is it?
Let's try out the fish.
The fish is fishing.
Also hot.
If you don't like pepper, don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home, man.
Pepper. You want to do me a
Man,
It seems I'm still gonna eat fish.
the fish is nice.
Yeah, it tastes nice.
It's nice, you.
Hi.
Kí la fi ṣe Pupuru, mommy? Gari. Okay.
It means cassava. It means
Wọn kì í yan bí gàrí gangan.
Wọ́n ń dàbí ti gàrí. Ti gàrí yẹn wọ́n máa ń dín yẹn báyìí.
Wọ́n máa ń yan nínú agbada.
Kò sí yẹn bẹ̀.
So Pupuru is essentially made from cassava, and it is made in the process of making gari, but not finally. Instead of frying it like gari, they cook it. That's just it. That's the difference. No, this food is spicy. This food is spicy, man.
Hello, the Pupuru. Ma?
Pupuru
I
200.
go this one to the market before you touch it.
I don't believe. You don't believe.
Kò sí pé ló ń bọ́ bá jẹun láì kí ọba.
Kí ni látàrọ?
Mami, ẹ fún mi lẹ́ja.
Ẹ padà mú mi àná yẹn. Omi o. Ẹ nà. Má tí mi tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe rí kí máa lọ.
This fish is nice. I noticed it's not bony. The only bones there is this. That's the middle bone. That's the middle bone and the fin. Yeah. That's the only bone you find there. It's so nice. Mami, kí lẹ porúkọ ẹja yìí? The name is Ẹja Ọsàn. Ẹja Ọsàn. That's the name.
Ẹja ọsàn.
Shoko yokoto.
Orange fish in it.
Someone said orange fish.
Nice name.
Pẹ̀lú oúnjẹ alẹ́ ni mò ń jẹ yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n jẹ oúnjẹ láàárọ̀.
That's nice.
Oúnjẹ alẹ́ wò ni èyí tẹ́ máa fi kí gbé mi.
But it's spicy, man.
No, ó máa okay bó ṣe.
Mama, this is pepper soup.
But it's good. I swear.
Don't worry.
Àwọn máa rìn láyà ni.
You are Nigerian. You are from the western part of Nigeria. I know you got no problem with this. But if you are Oyibo, you are from a foreign land, you are from the eastern part of Nigeria, you are from the northern part of this is spicy, man. This is very, very spicy.
Tell them, Jare.
Let them know. Ọmọ yóò ní kúkúrú ò jẹ́ kúkúrú.
But as spicy as it is, I love it. I like spices.